So how to write answer about this question? And this question I have taken from UPSC 2025. This question is osteodontocheratic culture and its maker. Very simple, बहुत simple question है. So how to write answer? So in answer writing, because we have to write our answer within 150 words. तो 150 words में आंसर लिखना, this is very difficult task for us. And therefore, if you want to write answer, so we need to make very scientific structure related to our answer. So in our scientific structure about this question, at first हमें क्या करना है? We need to write our introduction, right? So in introduction, you need to explain what is osteodontocheratic culture, right? What is ODK culture? First, you need to explain about that, and you also explain who was the maker of that culture, right? So very simple, that culture was made by Australopithecus africans, and that term osteodontocheratic culture was coined by Raymond Dart, right, who was famous paleoanthropologist, right, who did extensive study about the fossil remains related to Australopithecus africans in Micah Punsgard and many sites of South Africa, right? So first you need to explain about that, है ना, कि ओडीकी कल्चर क्या है और इसका मेकर कौन है, राइट? सेकेंड, देन you need to explain about Raymond Dart approach towards ODK culture, है ना. रेमंड डार्ट ने क्या अप्रोच दिया है इस कल्चर के इंटरप्रिटेशन के संदर्भ में? सो फर्स्ट you should have to explain about Raymond Dart said that osteodontocheratic culture was found by Australopithecus africans, in which they were used bone, teeth and horns as like tools or weapons, right? So very simple, you should have to explain this is osteodontocheratic culture. But for the interpretation of this osteodontocheratic culture, Raymond Dart developed another important concept in anthropology, and that is very important for the explanation of this important culture, that is killer ape theory, right? तो किलर एप थ्योरी को भी एक्सप्लेन करना है एसोसिएशन में कि व्हाट इज ओडीके कल्चर. ओडीके कल्चर को एक्सप्लेन कर दिए अकॉर्डिंग टू रेमंड डार्ट, एंड देन वी आल्सो से that was found by Australopithecus africans. And Raymond Dart explained that through killer ape theory. So in killer ape theory, Raymond Dart क्या कर रहे हैं कि early homins like Australopithecus africans was very aggressive, right? Was violent predator, right, and involved in a war. So these three important behavior of early homins had very important role in human evolution, because then Raymond Dart provide evidences in the favor of this important culture. So he got evidences from Micah Punsgard, right, that is very important site from South Africa. Raymond Dart discovered various fragmented fossil remains from Micah Punsgard like skull, bone, teeth, horn, and on the basis of that he explained that early humans like Australopithecus africans, their behavior was very aggressive. They were violent predator and they use this important thing like weapons, and therefore this is the important features related to osteodontoceratic culture. But after that you need to write some limitations, क्योंकि रेमंड डार्ट के इस अप्रोच को that was criticized by many paleoanthropologists and anthropologists. So one important paleoanthropologist that day was C.K. Brains, and C.K. Brains also did taphonomic study about the fossil remains of Mica Punsgard. On the basis of taphonomic studies about these fossil remains, C.K. Brains criticized about Raymond Dart approach. C.K. Brains क्या कर रहे हैं कि this is the misinterpretation of the fossil remains of Mica Punsgard, because these fossil remains were not product of human activity. These fossil remains were the product of natural pattern, natural behavior of carnivorous animals like leopard or others. So we are not able to see these fossil remains like a skull, bone, teeth, horn that were the base of osteoceratic culture that day was the product of human activity, that was natural product, and therefore that was the misinterpretation done by रेमंड डार्ट. रेमंड डार्ट उसका मिस इंटरप्रिटेशन करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि रियली इफ यू सी अबाउट द टूल्स और weapons which were made by bone, teeth and horns, तो वहाँ पर वियर पैटर्न नहीं दिखाई देगा. जैसे स्टोन टूल्स में क्या होता है कि वी आर एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई कि ये स्टोन टूल्स जो है मैन मेड है या नेचर मेड है, बट इन बोन और टीथ में और हॉर्न में वी आर नॉट एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई दिस इज मैन मेड और दिस इज नेचर मेड. थर्ड कि डेटिंग. सो वी हैव limited dating evidence related to interpretation of osteodontoceratic culture, and therefore it has limitations. But in spite of this limitation, in conclusion, right, you can say, right, कि in spite of these limitations, this osteodontoceratic culture was very important for the understanding of the process of human evolution and for the understanding of behavior of early humans, and therefore this is important still today in anthropology.